What are some upcoming move scenarios for Onyxcoin XCN? Since the last time I've talked about it, I did say that it was very important to see that Onyxcoin stays above some of these moving averages on the higher time frames here because it's basically the support levels after the breakout of this huge falling wedge pattern. Okay, now since I've talked about Onyx Coin a couple days ago, it has basically, it looked like it broke through the daily 200 and the daily 21 SMA here, which is the blue line, the daily 21 SMA, daily 200 at about that 16, 17 cents zone. Okay, now you guys might be wondering, is this a legit break? Okay, in my opinion, this is not a solid enough break through those two moving averages. Okay, just this red candle here, at least in my opinion, is not solid enough of a break for me to consider that these moving averages have been broken through. Okay, now it has hit the daily 50 SMA before at about that 15 cents zone before getting a huge bounce here. Now, I know a lot of this, a lot of this has to do with what Bitcoin has done for the past 2 days because it has had a pretty strong dip down to about below 115K and got the markets quite nervous, right? And that has a lot to do with what's happening here because Bitcoin is still the driver of this market. If it dumps, it will still have an effect on the markets, even though Bitcoin dominance is decreasing. It's on the downtrend, but these dumps are still going to affect the altcoins. So I always trade altcoins with a clear understanding of what Bitcoin is doing. If you guys want to take a look into what I said about Bitcoin today, make sure to check out my video today after this. But what I'm seeing here for Onyx Coin is it looks like a reversal. It's trying to break back above some of these moving averages, right? I talked about this breakout here, which if you guys been following my channel, you guys should know that I still think that this breakout of this falling wedge pattern is still valid because the price action is still above this upward trend line. And the moving averages are going to be the support levels between the price action now and that upward trend line. It'll be very bad if you see Onyx Coin break back into the pattern and invalidate this breakout, okay? But right now, it's still quite a bit of support levels to be paying attention to that it could still bounce off of. Now, price target for this breakout here is still about 25, 26 cents, 25 cents zone, just to be even here, okay? Let's take a look into a smaller time frame and see what Onyx Coin could be doing. This is the 2-hour time frame, double bottom with bullish divergence, okay? Price targets for this double bottom has basically almost been met here, okay? About 17 cents, okay? It is trying to get above some shorter term moving averages as resistance, including the 2-hour 200 SMA. This is why you guys should definitely be paying attention to moving averages because on that time frame, moving averages above the price action are going to be some of the key resistances you should be paying attention to. I am long on Bitcoin and quite a bit of altcoins here, and I am not long on XCM right now, but it is definitely one of the markets I would be paying attention to look for opportunities for a shorter term trade. Okay. And of course, these are just my opinions and not financial advice. Everything in this video. Okay, so you guys still gotta do your own research, but this is basically what I'm seeing for XCN at the moment. Let's see if it can reclaim some of those daily moving averages. It has dipped below, right? The daily 21, daily 200, and let's see if it can actually go towards that 25 cents level zone price targets. Now, this wraps up for this video very quickly for today. Let me know if you guys want to continue seeing more of XCN updates in the future. I'll bring you guys an update if enough of you guys want to see it. Like, subscribe, comments.